today's big day out. We are going to ride some bikes actually, because people don't think that we ride them, we just sell them. So we're going to go to the peaks, ultra e-bike peaks ride today. So we've got me, Ash, Chris, and we're going to meet James from Specialized. And we're going to go and
got some shred.
Yeah. But first, Greg's.
Food. Coffee.
Nearly went for the water. Ash, why don't you just go to the proper Costa?
This is quicker.
There's no queue.
Come on.
And then bacon with tomato sauce, what have you?
Yep.
You've got the same?
Yep. That's definitely brown of the sauce. Put them in there.
You've got brown sauce?
No, he's got brown sauce.
Right, we're here, rather wet Langsett car park. We're going to do a bit of a ride today. We're going to do up to Cutgate, down to Lady Bower, and then a bit of a loop round. So we've all got GoPros, going to do the route, show you the difference between full power, SL, and just have a bit of a ride and see what goes on. Just enjoy it.
All right.
How you doing?
Good
You all right?
Yeah,
Nice to see you.
Yeah. What's happening?
Yeah, I just said we're just here, Langsett, ready to ride some bikes, do a bit of a loop. You're in charge of the route today. So,
Nice. Nice.
So yeah, what's the plan? Cutgate.
Up Cutgate, and then down the back of Cutgate to Lady Bower.
Yeah.
And then hopefully we can get up onto the top there.
Yeah.
There's some really good fun descents down, classic down to Lady Bower in.
Yeah.
And then time dependent, back round and finish with the amazing Cutgate descent.
Yeah.
All the way
Awesome.
back down.
So I think we're going to do someone's going to Strava it, and we'll do a bit of a route as well, and we'll put that in, like publish that as well, which would be quite
Awesome.
good. So yeah, looking forward to it. Do a bit of a mix of SL and full power. So so yeah, looking forward to getting some miles in. Although the weather's a little bit
I know.
inclement this morning, but yeah, should be good. I'm not just saying it; they are like pretty mega actually. So we've managed to drag Chris out on the mountain bike. However, he's come with a distinct lack of mountain bike clothing. What do you think, Ash?
I think it's going to be an interesting day. Chris is he's going to find his feet today.
It's wet.
And he's going to get there. We'll get him round.
It's wet. It's technical, and we don't really know what he's come dressed as.
I'll do.
Stand up.
Ready for a bit of a trail ride with the boys.
Rab waterproof.
Helmet.
Cask helmet. Butter collection pants for the win.
It's gonna be a new style. Straight down them cobbles.
Cheers.
You'll like this bit anyway. Nice techy bit.
Fly. Do you wanna do? This is Cutgate, isn't it? Start Cutgate. We'll do.
Nice and bumpy today.
Up mode. Can you sum up that Levo SL in 3 words?
Some power. Got some power.
That's really interesting.
That's quite good.
Like,
Yeah,
especially, isn't
yeah.
it? If you're riding a really technical climb,
Yeah.
you don't ride off-road much. Was it the first time you've ridden the Levo SL as well?
Yeah.
So that's a really good story there.
First time you've ridden a full suspension mountain bike.
Yeah.
So, mid-ride, just at the bottom of Cupgate, which is, for those of you who don't know, quite a steep, techie descent. So like halfway through the ride, we're just going to stop here and go back. Thoughts on the bike? We've been doing mainly kind of rocky single track. Bike's been absolutely fantastic. I've used pretty much all of my travel on the front, most of it on the back. Kind of felt absolutely perfect. Just the last section here was quite steep and techy. The bike in its own league, really. I wouldn't even want any more travel. Personally, I think this was quite fun, quite poppy. As you can see today, it's wet, but it felt like I had a load of grip. Yeah, in terms of battery life, I've been riding for 1.5 hours at the moment, and I've only lost 2 bars of battery. Mainly, I've been in the full assistance mode as well, so I'm not worried about battery at all. Don't have a range extender on here at the moment, so I would say for me, this is going to be about a 3-hour ride, and I'll plenty of battery by the end as well. So yeah, so far so good.
That was nice. It's a wide line out. Cool. I like it. I like the...
Right, should we see who can ride to the top of here?
No, well, let's let the full power.
I reckon, yeah, let's go. You go. Right, that was it. Yeah, just done our ultimate peak e-bike ride. The weather turned against us a little bit, but it was really good. So we did basically out towards Lady Bower. We dropped down Cupgate, and then kind of turned around and then came back. Was it Cupgate or Jacob's Ladder?
One or the other.
One or the other. So we'll post the route because it was an absolutely amazing route. It's got a bit of everything. It's got tech, you know, steep. It's got some fast open bits. It's got different, like a little bit of everything, which was fantastic. So we all kind of came back in together. Chris has converted from a road biker to a mountain biker. We had a few little offs, a few little bits and bats. I've got 4 bars left to charge, so we had plenty of scope to do more. You've probably got loads more there. So
There's about 85% left with that and range extender and same old bike Chris were on.
yeah,
Like we've been out for how many hours? 3 hours.
3 hours maybe.
And it's steep climbs everywhere, so we're constantly on the go. These bikes just go all day.
Yeah. So
Really do.
bikes were great, good ride, apart from the weather, but yeah, good time.
Fun.
Yeah. Okay, so just got back from the ride. Pretty much ended up doing an out and back in the end, just due conditions. It got a little bit kind of wet, let's say, and you were struggling, weren't you, Chris? No, you did really well actually. I think that was it showed because we had a varying different abilities there, a couple of different models of bike, full power SL. And the ride had literally a bit of everything. So there was some steep and techie stuff, some climbs, some techie climbs, wide open fast stuff as well. So I think that was like a good test of everything really.
Definitely.
And we all, there was a little bit of waiting, stopping and starting, but we all rode together and you know, I think it was, it was quite good. Plenty of battery left. I'm sure, I don't know how much you've got.
54%.
Yeah.
On that.
So 50%, 3 hour ride maybe, I guess, something like that. So everything performed pretty well. You know, I think again they weren't the conditions weren't the best, but we had a good time. Bikes didn't let us down. We had a happy days really.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's good. So it's a cutgate path that we rode from Langset, climbing up from Langset to the very top, descending down the back towards Lady Bower, and then effectively turned around and just came back the other way. But it's definitely a really good ride to do on an e-bike because it is quite long and arduous on the way up and lots of technical rocky steps and bits to climb up. But then some really fast fun sections on the way down as well. So you can really feel the difference between the two platforms riding that type of trail. The full power bike is a lot heavier, so it feels really stable and really planted, especially when you're going through the really rough terrain. Yeah. But of course the lighter SL is a lot more nimble and it's a lot easier to lift and manoeuvre around the rocks and stuff. So
yeah, more poppy and you know, good for the turns. So yeah, great ride, great day. Well,
nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.